you're bee, right?
Hive. Beehive.
Oh, beehive, my bad. I just found it kind of funny cause some of my friends call me BB. So I'm like a Beewee or something, you know?
Cute.
Sorry, that's a weird thing to bring up.
It is.
I'm just bad with silence and I can really feel it without my gear, so is it okay if I trouble you with my rambling?
Do whatever.
Thank you!
Blah 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 whenever I'm
He keeps talking. He's bound to slip something. I was right, yes. She'd be weak to the topic of me. But I just said that I need to use this conversation for information.